Hello guys, this is Patrick again, and adding. Today our lesson is adding and subtracting fraction part 2. So in my previous video we were talking about adding and subtract fraction. So we explain it in more detail. So in order to understand this video, I believe you have to watch my previous video if you want the couple lesson, because we were explaining in deep detail. So the reason why I do the second video, because there's other stuff that I wanted to add it in the previous video, but my phone was running out of charge. So today I decided to make the part 2. So okay, to begin, so here's the problem that we're gonna solve. We have 1/5 plus 3/7. So I'll give you a little bit explanation. Like in order to do this, you have two parts. I'm just gonna go ahead and write this one down. You have numerators, numerator, which is the top number, and then the denominators, the denominator, which is the bottom numbers. So as you can see right here, you have two different number, right? You have two different number, which is you will have to look. You will have, in order to solve this problem, you will have to look for LCD. The meaning of LCD means least common denominator. You have to look for the least common denominators. So you're gonna have two bar. Let's put two bar here just to make sure you guys can understand clearly what am I doing. You put two bar in your plus right here. So since you put two of them, this the first bar mean the second one, and then the second bar mean this one, right? And now you're going to look for LCD. In order to find LCD, you will have to find a number that you're gonna multiply both number will give you the same. They will be equal. So in order to be equal, so you have to multiply this one. As you can see, you're gonna multiply this one by 7, and then this one by 5. See, are you guys following? So now you're gonna, whatever you do on the bottom, you will also do it on the top. Okay, so you multiply this one by 7, and then the second one by 5. Okay, now let's work in on this one. Okay, now you have 1 times 7, that will give you 7, and then 5 times 7, that will give you 35. I'll give you 2. Are you guys there? Okay, trying to make sure you guys understand, and then I will go a little bit slowly as well. And now you're going for the second problem. Yeah, so the second one will say you will multiply the 7 times 5, that will give you 35. Yeah, as you can see here, you get at least the common that are the same. And now we're gonna multiply 3 by 5, that will give you 15. Okay, you have 15. Now think about what you're going to do next. Say you have 7 and plus 15, all you have to do is you're just gonna plus them, right? But right here, you're just gonna plus 7 plus 15. Oh, I'm out. Oh, my phone is kind of disabled now, and I hope I will get it before the end. Now, as I said, you have 7 plus 15, that will give you 22, and you're just gonna carry the 35 over here. 35, and make sure you look if you can reduce your fraction. Don't ever forget to check that. Make sure if you can reduce the fraction, and if it proper fraction, you can leave it. This is a proper fraction. I'm thinking about making a video about proper and improper fraction, which is gonna be awesome. I believe it will be awesome in mixed numbers, so that will help you. I believe I should make the edit video in case, so if you guys doing this, so you will understand when the fraction is improper fraction, you shouldn't leave it in proper, so you will turn this fraction into mixed number. But if it proper fraction, so that will be 5, you can leave it like this. Is your final answer. So I hope you guys understand this video. So I'm working so hard, guys, to see if I can make it easy, if I can make it easy for you to understand. Let me think about this one. How about this one, guys? Like 7, let's see, 7, 15, 15, and gonna plus it, plus 1, 1, and 5. How about this one? Hmm? On my previous video, I think I give an example of this one, which is not difficult. I suggest that you guys make sure you watch my previous video. That will help you. So as you can see right here, and you have as I said, you're gonna look for LCD right here, which is least common denominators. So whatever I'm gonna do is like you have 7, it will be 5, like 7, 15, and plus now to make it this one 15, I will have to multiply by 3, and it means whatever you do on the bottom, do it on the top, multiply this one by 3. That will give me 3 and 15, right? I'm sure you guys see, sorry, make sure you can see. That will give me 3 and 15. Now all I have to do is just plus them, right? You just plus them. 7 plus 3 is 10, and just carry the 15 over. Just carry the 15. So when I learned this one, I said, oh, my fraction, I cannot leave it like this. If you have a fraction like this, that's why you make sure you reduce your fraction. If you leave it like this, you're doing exam or doing homework, you leave it like this, they can consider it's not a good answer. So all you have to do, make sure you reduce your final answer. If it cannot reduce, that will be fine, but make sure you always reduce your fraction to the lowest term. This is the best idea, guys. Never leave your fraction in the highest term. So to reduce this fraction, you will have to divide this one. If you divided this one by 5, you divided this one by 5. As you can see, divided this one by 5, that will be giving you 2, and then divided this one by 5, that will be giving you 3, and then here's your final answer right here, right? That will give you 2 here's your final answer. And as I say, guys, I'm trying to working so hard to see if I can make a more video for you and about improper fraction. And just like my video, comment, and anything you need help with, just let me know, and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.